The topic for today is expansion and simplification of linear expressions. Means we are going to expand and simplify two or more linear expressions. For that, first of all, I shall explain negative of an expression. In integers, if we have negative of 2, we write minus 2. If in rational numbers, we have to take, if negative of 3 by 5, we shall have minus 3 by 5. Similarly, if we have to find the negative of a linear expression, I shall open the bracket and I shall change the inner signs. I shall have minus 2x minus 1. The negative of x plus 2 will be minus x minus 2. Negative of 3x plus 5 will be negative 3x negative 5. What we are doing, we are changing the signs of the terms. This negative sign will change the inner signs. Right now 2x is positive, but when we shall open it will be negative. Similarly plus 1 is positive, but when we shall open the bracket it will be negative. Same case is with this x and with this 2, with this 3x and with this 5. When we shall open the bracket we shall change the inner signs. Now notice how I open it. Whenever there is a negative sign outside, inner signs will change. Right now 3x is positive, it will become negative. Minus 2 is negative, will become positive. 3x is positive, will become negative. 2 is positive, will become negative. 3x is negative and there is a negative sign outside, it will become positive. Two negative signs will give us a positive sign, and minus 2 is also negative, so it will become positive. 3x is negative, will become positive. 2 is positive, will become negative. 2x is negative now. It was positive. Y was positive, now negative. 4 was negative, will be positive. Same cases, if we can multiply with a negative sign, we can also multiply with a integer or rational number. For example, if we have 2 bracket 5x, it will become 2 5s are 10x. If we have minus 2 multiply 5x, it will be negative 10x. If we have negative 2 bracket negative 5x, it will be positive 5 2s are 10x. And if we have positive 2 but inside negative 5x, it will be negative 10x. So whenever we shall have a single negative sign, we shall have negative answer, but when we have two negative signs, we shall have positive answer, and two positive signs will give us a positive answer. 2 bracket minus x minus 4, we shall multiply 2 with minus x, it will be minus 2x, and minus 2 4 times 8. If I open it, it will be positive 2x. Negative 2 signs will give me a positive signs. 2 multiply x is 2x. Negative 4 with negative 2 will give me positive 4 2 times 8. Here I shall have 3y minus 3 2 times 6x. Here I shall have minus plus 3y, or I can even write simply 3y, and negative sign with positive sign minus 3 2 times 6x. This process is called distributive law. In distributive law, if we have an integer or rational number or any variable outside and we have to multiply it inside, we shall first multiply like a with b, and then we shall multiply this a with c. And if a is negative, it will change the inner signs, but if a is positive, it will not change the inner signs. If inner sign is negative, it will come automatically outside. Now apply distributive law. 3, there is x means 1x, 3x plus 3 2 times 6. If I apply here, minus 5 multiply minus x, minus plus 5 multiply 1x is 5x, minus 5 multiply minus 4, 5 4 times 20, this is 20, but two negative signs will give me a positive sign. Here I shall have minus ax minus 2ay. As the topic is expansion and simplification, and now we know how to expand, so we shall do the expansion and then arrangement and then simplification. X plus 7 will remain as it is. We shall open this bracket with 3. There is a positive sign, so inner signs will not change. 3 multiply x is 3x. 3 multiply 2 is 6. This is negative 6. After expansion, we shall arrange like terms, variable with variable, 3x with x, and 7 with minus 6. 3x and x will give us 4x. 7 minus 6 will give us 1, that is positive 1, as 7 is bigger. So 7 minus 6 is positive 1, and 3x and x both are positive, so we shall have 4x. 3 bracket x plus 2 bracket minus 2x plus 1. Open it. 3x plus 3 2 times 6 plus 2 multiply minus 2x will give me minus 4x. So I shall make it minus. 2 multiply 1 will give me 2 1 times 2. I shall arrange now 3x with minus 4x and 6 with 2. When we shall change the place of any term, we shall take its sign with it. 3x minus 4x will give me minus x, as 4 is bigger. So 3 minus 4 is minus 1. It is minus 1x, or x, plus 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, first of all we shall expand. Minus x minus 4y minus 3 2 times 6x plus 2y. Minus sign will change the inner sign. X was positive, now negative. 4y was positive, now negative. 3x was positive, now 3 2 times 6 is negative. Y was negative, now positive. I shall arrange minus x minus 6x minus 4y plus 2y. Y with y like term and x with x like term. Both x are negative, they have same sign, we shall add, we shall have minus 7x, and both y's are having opposite sign, we shall subtract. 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 with the negative sign, as bigger number is negative, so our answer will be negative. We shall first expand it, then arrange it, and then we shall simplify. 3 multiply x is 3x, 3 multiply 2 is 6, positive 6y, there is a plus sign outside, there is a plus sign inside. Plus 4y minus 4x. There is a plus sign, so inner signs will be as it is. We shall not change the inner signs. After expansion, we have to arrange and then we shall simplify. Arrange means like terms together. 3x minus 4x and 6y plus 4y. When I shall pick 6y, I shall pick it with positive sign, 4y with positive sign. When I shall pick minus 4x, I shall pick it with negative sign. Now 3x and 4x have opposite sign, so it is x with the negative sign. 4 is bigger, 4 minus 3 is 1, but 1 will be negative as the bigger number is negative. They both have same sign, we shall add with the positive sign. Both are positive, answer will be positive. Okay, now as expansion and simplification is clear, we are going for more than one brackets. There are two types of brackets here. One is small bracket and the other one is bar bracket or big bracket. So we shall start with the small bracket, and when we shall make this bar bracket, when we shall open this small bracket, we shall make this bar bracket a small bracket. 3x minus, I shall open minus 2 with y, minus 2y, and minus 2 with minus 3 will give me positive 3 2 times 6x. Now this is a small bracket. Now I shall solve inside or arrange inside and then solve inside. 3x and 6x will give me, okay, first we arrange, then we shall simplify, right? 5y minus 2, 3x and 6x both are positive, will give me 9x minus 2y. Now I shall again open it, again expand it. After one expansion, I arranged and simplified. So when we shall expand again, we shall have 5y, 9 2 times 18, but it is negative 18 as there is a negative sign outside and positive sign inside. Opposite sign will give me negative 18 and same signs will give me positive 4y. 2 times 4, negative 2 times signs will give me positive 4y. Now I shall arrange 5y plus 4y together. Both are like terms and 18x later. 5y and 4y both are positive, so I shall have 9y minus 18x, and this is my answer. So we shall start with innermost bracket. X minus, as we have a plan to open this bracket, I shall make this bar bracket a small bracket. Y as it is. Minus 3 will be multiplied with 2. Minus 3 2 times 6x. And minus 3 multiplied with minus y will give me positive 3y. Now I shall arrange y, 3y like terms, minus 6x. As both y's are positive, I shall have positive 4y. 3 plus 1 is 4y. Now I shall again open the bracket with negative sign x, minus sign will change the inner signs. 4y will be negative and 6x will be positive. I shall again arrange like terms, x with 6x and then 4y. It will be 7x minus 4y and it is my answer. The last question for today, 7x as it is minus 2 as it is. I have a plan to open these two small brackets, so I shall make this bar bracket a small bracket and I shall multiply this 3 with x. I shall have 3x and 3 with 2 will give me negative 6, minus 2 with x will give me negative 2x and negative 2 with negative 5 I shall have positive 10. There is no need to make the arrows when you will be expert in it. Okay, now we are going to arrange. After expansion, we are going to arrange the like terms. 3x with 2x. 2x will come with its own sign. Minus 6 will go with its own sign and plus 10 with its own sign. So before doing the second expansion, we shall simplify. First we shall simplify, then we will expand with minus 2. 3x minus 2x having opposite signs. 3 is bigger. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1x or simply x. 6 is negative, 10 is positive, opposite signs we shall subtract, but it will be positive 4 as 10 is bigger. Now we shall do the second expansion. We shall open this bracket with minus 2, 7x minus 2x plus minus minus 2 4 times 8, 7x and minus 2x like terms written together. 7 minus 2 is 5x minus 8 and this is our final answer.